A blinking yellow light on a Verizon router extender can be caused by its proximity to the router. If the extender is too close, it can result in poor Wi-Fi coverage, which defeats its purpose of transmitting the network to hard-to-reach areas. To fix this, the extender should be moved approximately 30 feet away from the router to improve the signal. On the other hand, if the extender is too far from the modem, the blinking yellow light may also appear. In this case, the distance between the extender and the router is too great, causing the extender to blink yellow instead of transmitting the Wi-Fi signal. To resolve this, the extender should be relocated within the router's 30-foot radius, ensuring there are no obstructions such as walls in the way. By making these adjustments, the blinking yellow light should be resolved, and the extender can function as intended.